So I removed about 110 grams plus the weight of the screen out of the GoPro 12 Black. And let's just weigh what components are here. I'm going to tear this out. Whoops. And I'm just going to weigh the few components that we're going to be using in the GoPro 12 naked build. Alright, so I obviously don't have the case on there, but this is about a little less than 20 grams in components that I'm going to be using here, and then I'm still going to be adding the weight of the case, but I'm hopefully only going to be adding about 30 grams for the weight of the case and keeping this GoPro right around the 50 gram mark.